Hello, and this was my choice on the choice boards. It's row 3. Choose how you want to express what you learned, I think what it was. So this is an overview of the 5 steps of project-based learning. So the first step is you want to identify a unique challenge or problem, but something that you want to make sure of is that the authentic challenge is relevant to the students and that it connects to the curriculum that is set by your state or national. The second step is you want them to investigate the challenge using the inquiry process and apply ideas in the discipline. The article that I read highlighted that this is a very academic step, but this is also where we want the kids to start asking lots of questions and create the structure of the authentic challenge. The third step in the PBL process is you want them to explore the ideas and challenge them through collaborative activities. There was one quote from the article that I think completely sums up this step, and I would like to share it with you. Group work in PBL means collaborative learning where learners cultivate, justify, and argue and recognize multiple perspectives on an issue to create the most appropriate and viable products. This makes sure that the children are questioning themselves in order to create an authentic project and to make sure that they learn something. The fourth step in this process is that you want the kids to utilize the inquiry process to refine products. Enable for them to become experts at the subject matter that they are learning about or learning more about. Is you want them to question the product that they're going for, and you want them to be able to solve the problems and become an expert. The fifth and final step in creating a PBL project is that you want to develop the summative product that addresses the challenge or problem and publicly share it. So in the fourth step, you wanted them to question and refine their product and become experts in what they were learning, and then this is where they publicly share it, just like how I'm doing that with you. I am publicly sharing the knowledge that I learned through this article, and this is my final product. And then I also have on this slide, this next slide, an example of a PBL project that I created within my technology portfolio last semester. It has standards and it has different projects that the kiddos can do about creative writing. It's right there. I will also have a link in my YouTube description. Thank you.